Okay, we got a little small air leak, you can hear it. This finally did get warm. It'll burn you. So up over there somewhere is a leak. Not sure where it's coming from. I don't know if it's coming out of the air separator or what. So we're going to have to figure out what is going on with that. Probably going to have to wind up taking that apart over there a bit. So it's not a real massive leak, but that does add up over time. So it's not going to keep me from using it. I just don't like it. Okay, so over here we have no heat. Over here we have just enough heat. I don't really want to hold on to it. This is dead cold. Maybe 5 degrees more than ambient air temperature. Over here is no heat. So this thing's dissipating the heat pretty good already. But I don't like the air leak, obviously. Oh well. Okay, now this one here turns on. So why are we leaking out of that? Yeah, that makes sense it would leak now, but why is it not? I'm going to close that. Why is it leaking? This fitting here leaks like a sieve. I don't know why. Shouldn't be. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Okay, that is a regular fitting. Here's Scooby. Obviously it's a bad valve because it won't stop leaking. Alright, so that fitting is a piece of crap. We gotta take that out, and we just took out one of these right here. So we're going to put that in its spot and see if the leak goes away. What fun! Well, it's brand new parts you wouldn't think would not leak. Oh well. There you go. See, I gotta figure out what size that was up under there. Deal with it. That one. That must have been that metric one. You think that might have been the problem? That's probably 3/4. It's not 3/4. Metric will work. See, parts you don't think will leak like a sieve. I kind of figured that would be a problem up there, but I wasn't expecting it down here. That's probably why it got sold to me defective. Yeah, they're not supposed to work like that. Okay, so that's not very good. Okay, this one here should be the same one. Yep, that works just fine. I'm gonna go with this one. At least we know the air valves are working. That's a plus. Okay. This should be a 3/4 on this one. It is. No more metric crap. Isn't going very far. That was going to fall. Didn't feel like it was even in the thread. This whole thing is turning. That time it went in straight. Didn't go in straight before. Got a lot more room under here to get that air valve. Not too bad of access under here. Room. That's tight enough. Okay. It's a new air leak someplace, can't tell where it is. Get the goop off my wrench. Yeah. Ah, this was never put on here, was it? That's a grenade waiting to get your butt. A lot of air in there. Make sure you hold on really tight when you do stuff like that, because that's a hand grenade going to hit you in the butt. I had a good grip on it. There's a lot of airline in that hose. Yeah, that was dangerous. Scooby didn't like that. Look at Scooby over there. He didn't appreciate me doing that. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I did that on purpose. Yeah, that's right. That's a good boy. Yeah, Scooby's coming over here to help. Yeah, you're going to come over here and help. He knows I need lots of help. He already knew that. Yeah. You taste some of this on your tongue there, Scooby? Need some Teflon paste on your tongue. Alright, good boy. Alright, look out. Let me back to work. Alright, so I got that gooped. It was never gooped before. Alright, there we go. Put that on there. Size of these wrenches here. I know these wrenches are. Okay, so you got this one here. Use this one here. I tighten up on this one over here. Tightening is the other direction, dumbass. You gotta watch your fingers here when you do this. Alright, one more of those ought to do the trick. Oh yeah, that's pretty tight. Oh, success. No more air leak. Except for that big one over in the back. The goop goes everywhere. No leakage. Alright, so these are all leak free. That one still leaks though up there. That'll be that big one over here. Okay, so that all works. Where's this one come from? Oh, this one I'm going to use over here. Okay. Alright. So everything's leak free except for my big puke can over there. I wonder where that's actually leaking from. I don't know. I'm going to have to crawl up around over there. I have to clear this pile out of the way over here to get to that. There's a lot of junk right there to get over that corner. I can always go over the top and drop on down behind it. It's actually a big hole back there. You just can't see it. Alright, so hopefully that was just a hand tightened over there. It's a hand grenade waiting to go off, because when that thing dumps, that is all the air in the tank, because that is fully open all the time. Because that has no shutoff valve going that direction. Probably could have done something about like that, but I didn't think about that. They're a perfect place right here for one. Yep, see, I could have put that right in there. 2 short nipples, 3/4 inch, put a valve in there. Yeah, the disadvantage is if you forgot to open that valve up, you blow this motor up. That's why I didn't put a valve in that. That'd be not a very good plan. Alright, so we're going to let that bleed off overnight, come back tomorrow. Hopefully there's no more air in the tank. If there is, I have a couple big valves here I can open up to make it bleed pretty quickly. And then I'll go ahead and find out what that leak over there is and pump it up again. But right now this is usable air in the building. Once I hook this air up over here, this has to be hooked back up. This needs to go all the way over to that valve right there to make it work. So I'm going to go pick up some more fittings tomorrow, and then hopefully we have what we need to make this all go back together. Whoop, stepped on Scooby's foot. Scooby sniffed up on me. Yeah. Alright, that's it for tonight. Another long-term project. They don't like sitting over there. Oh well. Alright, that's it.